Yo, Hafa day, guys.
Yada Guam, where you been, man? We miss you.
I've been hiding. Just kidding. We have a YouTuber group chat, and I wanted to see who was up for a display battle. And the first one to reply was Heart of the Pack, and his reply really made me laugh. But yeah, that's what he said. And no excuses, it's been a while since my last video, so here's to just another Ghost from the Past 2, the second haunting display opening. Last video's giveaway winner will be in the description below. For this video's giveaway, I'll be giving away these cards right here. And you already know what to do. Like this video, must be a subscriber. You can also hit that notification bell for future content and let me know what was your favorite card pulled from this opening. All right, guys, here we go. Let me just open it and all right, guys, we are back. Let's see what we can pull from the display opening. But yeah, last time we opened Ghost from the Past, the first one, we pulled a ghost. So let's see if we could pull a ghost here. We got Sandwich, Rookie Warrior Lady, and a DDD. Inzektor Sword, and a Rose Spectre of Dun. Ooh. Awesome artwork here, guys. All right. Dramaturge of Despia, Salamant Gray Blaze, and a number 97 Vampire Sucker, and a Tenyi Spirit Bashuda. Here we go. We got a Vision Hero Poisoner, Ghost Trickstein, and a Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon. I hear there is a Crystal Beast structure deck coming out, so maybe this might jump in price. I don't know. Agent of Entropy, Uranus, and Motor Shell. Okay, let's go. Tenyi Spirit Shatana, Vampire Kingdom, and a Outburst Dragon. Redbeard Plunder Patrol Matey, and Yazi Yangzi. Ooh, Advanced Ritual Art. Ghost Trick So Cute Boss, and a Master Flare number 60, and a Vampire Takeover. Okay, yes, we got a Quintet Magician, Mathmech Edition, and a Ryza the Mega Monarch. Fossil Fusion, and a Didi Lamia. Alright, we got Tenyi Spirit Ashina, Laraji, and a Shell Knight. Veronica the Angel of Bravery. Ooh, this looks crazy cool. Okay, let's go. We got Vision Hero Minimum Ray, Code Generator, and a let's go! A Luber the Jester of Despia. Finally, some fire. Plunder Patrol Ship Brawn. Okay, let's keep it going. We got Sandwich, Generator Boss Stage, and a Sky Cavalry, Mecha Phantom Beast Coltwing, and a Vampire Domination. Next up. Okay, we got Nirvana High Paladin, Flint Kragger, And nothing. Food of Sun and Karibo. Golden Air, the newest Plunder Patrol. Rookie Warrior Lady, Ghost Trick Spectre, and a DD device. Requiem, Doom King, and Ghost Trick Ryashi. Come on, at least one ghosty. Ooh, Tatsu Necro, Bluebeard, and a Vision Hero Ferris. Mystical Shining Ball, and Infernity Sage. Alright. Agent of Judgment Saturn. Tenyi Nahata, Ryza, Princess Cologne, and Dark Contract for the Swamp King. Oh boy. Plunder Patrol Ship Morgue, Reptilian Spawn, Shell Knight, Pendulum, Dot Scaper. Dramaturge of Despia, Salomon Great Blaze, and whoa, dude, this looks cool. Time Thief Temper Wall. Dang. Shadow Vampire and Yazi. Okay. Vision Hero Poisoner. Ghost Trick Stein. What the heck, guys? Guys. Yes! Holy shoot. Oh, dang. It even has a foil, like a foil shift downwards. Bro, Red Eyes Black Dragon, bro. Woo! Right there. We're ending this vid now. Just kidding. Bro, that's crazy. Despot 0001. Oh, I can't believe I just pulled a ghost, bro. Let's go. Oh, man. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Let me just leave this up real quick because, bro, that's it. Anyone battled me with this display, man, game over. Ooh, boy, let's go. Red Eyes Black Dragon. Really wanted this one too, man. But yeah, I'm collecting all the ghosties, so hopefully we can keep pulling some more. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. Whew. That was fire, bro. Agent of Creation, Venus, DD Savant, and number 97. Oh man, dude. What else can we pull, bro? That was sick. That was good. That was crazy. You got Heavenly Dragon Circle, Despia Theater, and Crystal Beast Rainbow Dragon again. Alright. Bro. Getting goosebumps after that, man. Whew. Let's go. We got number 38, Baxia, and an Outburst Dragon. Alright guys, last pack, man. Rudge. This has been an epic opening. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future content. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. What a comeback video, right? But yeah, White Beard. Oh, let me do the trick, man. Get some Shadow Vampire, Despot 001, White Beard, Puppet Queen, and a Master Flare Hyperion. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Yada Guam out.